Hi guys!
Hi!
So this is our first video together.
As you can see, I am in Miami, not in New York anymore, so you're rid of like all the fire,
all the
truck,
apartment, bad lighting, norms. But yeah, so we filmed a really cool look on a friend today that's going to a music festival.
Rolling Loud.
And it's like it's like an army look. So
she has this really cool outfit. So we played with browns, we played with greens, we played with golds to really tie the whole look together. I love how it came out.
It came out really good. It has like a really cool like glitter like right in the inner corner that really kind of ties in that festival look.
Also, we're going to post a picture of her on our Instagram with the full outfit and the full makeup as soon as we upload this video. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to find out how to get this look, then
keep on watching. So for foundation, I used the Georgio Armani foundation, and I just applied that with a moist beauty blender from Real Techniques. I'm going to use the Tarte concealer, and I'm going to apply that under her eyes, and I'm going to blend that out also with the same beauty blender. Then I'm going to use the Airspun translucent powder, and this is one of my favorite setting powders, and it smells really good, and I'm just going to set her under eye with that and also kind of go along her forehead just so that the skin makeup for the most part really doesn't budge. Then I'm going to go in with an angled brush with the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to apply that on her cheekbones and blend that out with a fluffier brush. I'm also going to apply it along her nose. When you're doing nose contour, you just kind of go along the sides and the tip of the nose, and then where the nose bends, you're going to kind of just put a little bit like horizontally. And then for blush, I'm using Milani in the color Rose d'Oro. It's a very nice rose gold tone, and I'm just going to apply that on the apples of her cheeks. For highlighter, I used Colourpop Lunch Money, and I'm just going to apply that with my finger just because I feel like that's the best result. And I'm going to apply that on her nose too. And then I'm going to use the Becca highlighter, and I'm going to apply that with a fan brush just because I feel like that's the best application for that highlighter. And for eyebrows, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow with a small angled brush. And like always, kind of keep true to the shape of your eyebrow. Don't go too over. And I'm going to really like go dark on the tips of her eyebrow and then just lighten that up.
Now I am taking the chocolate bar palette and I'm using Salted Caramel, and I'm just putting that in her crease to use it as a transition shade. Now I took Gilded Ganache, also from the chocolate bar palette, and I took it on a flat brush and I just sprayed it with Urban Decay's All Nighter spray, just so that the pigment comes out even stronger. Now I went back in with our transition shade and I'm just blending that out. Now I am going in with Salted Caramel and I'm putting that on her lower lash line. Now I took some Glitter Glue by Too Faced and I'm putting that in her inner corner because we're going to put some glitter in there to highlight it. Got the close-up view. The glitter I'm using is a Gold Pigment by Too Faced. Now I'm just applying some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I was about to say Roller Lash. That one's great too, but I just didn't use it. Now for her lips, I'm going in with Adesse. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is Karla's lipstick. And for a setting spray, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. So thank you guys so much for watching.
And thank you to Karla for letting us use her face as a canvas.
She's awesome. I will leave her Instagram link down below so that you can see more pictures of the look and of her and the festival and everything and how it went. We have a lot of exciting things coming up.
We have another photo shoot coming up that we're going to release all the videos and pictures for that, and the theme is
Butterfly. So we're just going to be playing around with butterflies, and if you guys want to see how we achieve our looks or what we're going to do with the butterflies, then you'll just have to stay tuned and
follow our Instagram page.
Yes.
Make sure you watch all our videos. It's gonna be really cool. I'm really excited.
we're very excited.
So
I'll leave all the products and the links to our Instagram and Karla's Instagram down below. And like always, just thanks for watching and stay tuned until
the next time. All right. Bye.
bye. That was cute.
We're cute.
I was like, I hope she gets it.
Stay tuned until it